Hi everyone, I am Chef Ajit from the Visitor Hotel Soul Kitchen, Kolkata. We are celebrating our Kebab and Biryani festival from the 12th of August to 31st of August in our Soul Kitchen. So we are especially served mutton goloti kebab, mutton sami kebab, chicken Afghani tikka and the Lahori tikka. And some of the veg from the dahi ke sole and rajma galoti in our Soul Kitchen, and some of the biryani like the Hyderabadi biryani and Kolkata dum biryani and kache gosht ki biryani. So we are invited to all of you guys, come visit and enjoy our delicious biryani and kebab recipes from the different types of kebabs and biryanis. Thank you.